Here are the list of workshop topics that I thought would be most relevant to incorporate when talking about 21st century skills and how to bring them into the classroom. So first, I would talk about why use technology in the classroom, in which you kind of preface what the need is to use the technology in the classroom and how to incorporate it in classes that you might not think would generally need technology, such as art. Okay, and then the second topic would be incorporating iPads into your lesson plans. iPads and tablets are one of the more common ways that technology is being incorporated into classrooms today because they allow for every student to kind of have a portable means of working with technology and a means that doesn't take up much room in the classroom, but still lets you have every student connect at the same time. And then I would move on to getting the most out of your available apps, as every iPad or other tablet that you might use would come with apps, and these apps can do many things, including educational apps and writing apps and video apps and drawing apps. The possibilities are really endless, so doing your research and finding out what apps would be most useful to teach the lesson plan that you specifically are using the iPad for, or maybe a way to use them every day to do an exercise in the classroom. And then moving on to having students create presentations using digital media. In the classroom, an easy way to have students develop their skills in technology is to have them, after being taught how to use technology on their own, have them go and practice it on their own or in a group by having them create their projects that way, which helps them to get practice in doing it and also prove to you that they understand how. And then finally, creating online access to classroom information. So outside of the classroom, students at some schools are given tablets to take home or laptops to take home or possibly just their own computers at home that they're going to be using. So having information from the class like resources and maybe a web page or a blog that's dedicated to covering things that you talked about in class or things that would be relevant on the homework could be useful in helping to develop 21st century skills in the classroom.